DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 4S battery replacement directions. Be sure to check us out on the web at directfix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
After completely powering down your phone, begin by removing the two pentalobe screws from the bottom. With the two screws removed, the back case should slide off easily. Your battery's connector is secured with two small Phillips head screws. Use a case opener tool to disconnect your battery. Use the plastic tab to pull up your battery. Place the small shield over the antenna cable, making sure to line up the holes. Connect your battery, once again making sure to line up the holes with the shield covering the antenna cable. Secure the battery connector with two small Phillips head screws. We can now place the back cover onto the phone. Secure the back cover with two small pentalobe screws at the bottom. Insert your SIM card, power up your phone, and you're done. Please be sure to check our website, directfix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.